Hi guys, welcome to my channel AlgoCraft. From today onwards, I will solving the problem from the topic linked list. Today I'll be solving one easy problem from the linked list, that is remove duplicates from the sorted linked list. Okay, and I am taking this problem from the algoexpert.io, and this problem can easily found in LeetCode. So I will provide the LeetCode link in the description. Now moving back to the question. So what is the problem basically state? So problem basically state that you will be given a head of sorted linked list, and you need to delete all the duplicates such that each element appear only once, and you need to return the linked list in the sorted as well. Let's say if I hope you guys already know what is the linked list. So linked list is nothing but a kind of, you can say, is a structure what the first element of that node is the value, and the second element is the list. Second element is the pointer to the next node. Okay, so if there is another node, so the next, and this value also pointed to the another node. Okay, so this is the normal definition of linked list. I hope you guys already know what is linked list. Now moving to the question. So basically you need to remove all the duplicates from the sorted list, and then you need to return the linked list. So if you take an example, so like if you have the linked list 1, 1, then 2, then 3, then 3. So here you can see that this one is a duplicate and this 3 also duplicate. So you need to delete those duplicate values from the linked list, and you need to return the list which has no duplicate. So in that case, our answer is 1. Then it's now this one will point to this 2, then this 3. Okay, so this is the answer. So I hope you are able to understand the problem. Now moving back to the solution, how can we solve this problem? To solve this problem, so what we are basically doing, so if you are given a list, let's say 1, then another 1, then maybe 2, then 3, then again 3. So basically this is our head node. Okay, and so what I will do, so I will iterate the linked list one by one, and I will, for when I come to this node. Okay, so what I will check, I will check the what is the previous value of previous node value. So if the value is same, in that case our previous node pointer will point to this node, right? So now this pointer goes null, right? So this connection is get lost. Now our this point is now pointing to this. Okay, once that has been done, now our pointer move to this node. Okay, and it will again check that is this node value is equal to our previous node value or not. So if that so, what we need to do, again what we need to do, we need to just uh, delete this connection basically, and point the first node next value, next pointer value to the this node next node basically. So now our this one point to the 2, right? Now we can see that this 2 is now not, this 2 is not equal to our previous node's value, which is 1. So it is not equal. So now our, in that case our previous will updated by 2. Now our previous will pointed to 2 by 2, and our current node is now is 3, right? Now again it will check is the current node value is equal to previous node value or not. It is not equal, right? So in that case again our previous now pointed to this node, okay, and our current node now point to this three, okay. Now what will it will check, it will again check that current node value is equal to previous node value or not. It is equal, right? So in that case, what we need to do, we need to connect this previous node next value to the current node next value. So current node next value is nothing but null. So now this point, like this point will now get deleted, and this point now pointed to null value basically, because the series next value is null, right? So now I have a list basically. If I try to iterate by head, so what I have a one, then this one now connected to these two, and in between all those connection get lost, right? And these two now connected to this three, and this three now connected to null, right? So what I have one, then I have a two, then two three, then this three to null, right? I hope you are able to understand the solution. So what basically do it, we are doing we are taking one pointer value, that is previous, okay, and then we are taking another pointer which is basically current. So previous is pointing to our previous node value, and current is pointing to our current node, okay. So next what we need to do, we need to iterate by head node, okay, while head not equal to null. Now at first I will check whether if previous, so this previous is at the first, it will pointing to null only, okay. So and in that case our head is only nothing but our current node, right? Okay. So now what I'll do, I will check if previous is null or not. If previous is null, that means this is our first node, right? So at at the first I will check whether if our previous is not null or not, okay. If it is not null, that means previous node has some value, right? In that case, what I will next check, I will next check if the previous dot val is equal to head dot val or not, okay. So if it is equal, in that case what we need to do, we need to point the previous node next value, previous node next value to our current node next value, right? So I will point it to that. So in that case, in our case, it is what we are doing also same, right? If the previous current node, this one node value is equal to previous node next value, what we are doing, we are pointing previous next node equal to our current next node, right? So we are doing the same here, right? Otherwise, else what we are doing, we are just assigning previous equal to nothing but to our head, okay. Like in that case, is our previous value, like this one is not equal to our current node value. In that case, we just updating the previous value, right? So we will doing the same here, okay. And after that I just iterate the head node basically. So to that will traverse the linked list, okay. Once that has been completed, I will just simply, in that case, we need to store this head value in other variable, so that it will still pointing to our node current head value, right? So in that case, it will returning that node. So I will get a temp which is pointing to our this head value, and we will return that only, okay. So in that case, we just return this temp. So this temp is nothing but pointing to the head value, right? So this head value. So so that we need to return. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the solution as well. So I will provide the both the question link and the solution in the description. So please check it out, and thank you.